Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for more Bollywood updates.
I'm not controversial. I didn't do anything controversial.
Correct. But
People
controversies are
create
created around you.
Exactly. Exactly.
All right. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. My name is Riddhi. I'm from Bangalore. I'm wondering how you're doing interviews without making the other person do something, because I have met you before, and even to take a selfie with you, you would have said that you need to do a couple of push-ups or you need to do a couple of exercises, and then you actually deserve to take a selfie. I mean, that's how you promote how people should be fit.
Well, actually, that's not how I promote people should be fit, but because if I'm going to pose, then you have to do something for that.
For that. Oh.
Otherwise, people can take candid pictures of me. I don't object.
Aisa
But if
hai.
they want me to stand next to them and look into the camera, then
Well done. But like right now, it's because of Metro Park 2. So let's talk about that. So you have been termed as a hot doctor. Okay, over here you're a dentist, which comes under medical terms. There's been other series where you've played the role of a doctor as well. And you've become this so-called very hot doctor, which people keep saying. Now, you are actually raising the expectations of humans like us when we go to a clinic to expect someone like Milind Soman standing over there and treating us. What do you have to say about that?
I'd say that your expectations are unrealistic. I mean, obviously, come on, it's not whether I'm good looking or not good looking. It's just that you can't have me as your doctor, right?
Then why are you with doctors on screen? Why can't we get realistic doctors and have you in a character which we can imagine in real life? You are a very unrealistic character, by the way.
Why? Because
Why?
you've never seen a doctor like me.
Like you? You just said that's unrealistic expectation. So why don't we put you in roles which we can just imagine?
No. I didn't say. I said it. I said that it doesn't matter whether I'm good looking or not. You can't expect me to be your doctor.
Fine. Okay. We'll give it to you. So this show, Metro Park 2, it's under the comedy genre. I want to know from you, what is comedy for you?
Okay, comedy is something that makes me laugh. Is that surprising?
No, like what sort of comedy do you enjoy? Like, do you like slapstick comedy? Do you like
that.
rom-com?
I wouldn't put it in a genre because I like anything that makes me laugh, because that's comedy.
Do you laugh
I
at
laugh
some
at
really
people
bad
who
joke?
make, yeah, of course. A joke is a joke.
Oh.
But see, it's also depends on how it's told, right? Like a bad joke is a bad joke only because it's told badly. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a joke at all.
Right.
There are all kinds of things that, because of now it's the internet and social media, and there are puns and memes and all kinds of things all over the place. Anything you do, there is a meme on it. There's a meme about it. So
Yes,
yeah.
Your photo on the beach was like a meme which people used everywhere.
Yeah, can you imagine? I mean, what? For what? I mean, there's nothing in the picture. It's
agree.
a man running on the beach. Yeah.
I absolutely agree. Talking about that, just one question that I want to ask you about. You have been somebody who's been extremely controversial back then, now, and I think for the years to come, and you handle it so beautifully for nothing, okay? Just because you're very
I'll tell you
comfortable.
why. Because I'm not controversial. I didn't do anything controversial.
Correct. But
People
controversies are
create
created around you.
Exactly.
How do you take it? How do you stay calm in the deepest of storms?
Because I haven't done anything controversial. I'm like just surprised. I'm like, what? What? Yeah, that's it. In fact, I'll tell you something. See, when I did Tough Shoes, it was different. Really, I mean, I didn't think about it. Nobody thought about it. Maybe it was never done before, so we didn't think that anybody would have anything adverse to say about it. Obviously, that when you do something, some people don't like it, some people like it. But we didn't know that there would be a case that would be registered, that, all of those things would happen. And there was no social media at that time, so you can imagine. So whatever happened, happened. Now, I put up that picture 6 months ago on my Instagram page, and I said, now, if this ad were to be released today, what do you think would happen? 99% of people who commented said, oh, nothing will happen. We see all kinds of things like this on the internet all the time. I mean, more than this. I mean, nobody will even notice. I said, oh, okay. Then for my birthday, I put up this picture. And I said, I thought you just said nothing would happen.
Audience poll karke bhi it was a controversy.
99% of comments were like, oh, nothing. What is this? This is nothing. We've seen like much more. Internet is crazy. And I said, ये क्या है? मतलब ये झूठ है सब. So it was a big response. Like that, everything is controversial because when it comes to anything, some people like it, some people don't like it. That is the controversy. It becomes 5 million and 10 million, then it's different. Then people were just talking, and then they said, oh, FIR tha, arey, jail gaya, ye hua, wo hua. Nothing happened. I don't know where they got this information from.
Yeah,
I'm
but
also
then it
reading in
was a
the
cheat.
paper. Oh, I'm in jail. I didn't realize. Oh, there's an FIR. Oh, where is it?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't find anything controversial. I thought like, oh my God. I mean, he could just pull off something like this and we think about what kind of photos we want to take at the beach. Next time we should probably take inspiration from the way you take photos at the beach.
I always said that thinking is highly overrated. Unless you're sure about what you want to think about, do not think.
That's true. Well, talking about that photo, you are somebody, when we see you on screen, you come across as someone who is extremely sensual, extremely romantic. Even if you want to play another role, you turn out to be this very hot, sensual person on screen. Nobody can take your eyes off that or stop feeling that, okay? So, do you take off your real life romantic scenes into reel, or is it the other way around?
No, it's neither of that. It's just whatever is required by the character. And see, when you're playing any character, there is an essence of your personality that will come out. That is what makes the character special. That's what the director wants.
Right.
That's why the director casts an actor, I think, for two things. One is the way they look and what the director thinks the actor will bring to the screen from their own personality. Right? So there is something in my personality that people see. And I think with a lot of successful actors, I don't think I'm a successful actor because it's not even a career for me. But that romanticism, I mean, right from Charlton Heston to Tom Cruise and Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan and all of them, there is a romanticism that is part of their personality, part of their psyche, probably part of their, maybe it's in their genes that just comes out and it connects. With people, because people love romance. Another journalist was asking me the other day, what is love and romance to you, because of Valentine's Day, of course. And I said, it's life. Love and romance is life. Without love and romance, what do we have in life? What are we doing all this for?
Right.
So, and I won't even say actors, the most celebrated people in the world. There is a kind of romanticism that is present. And again, when I'm equating romanticism with life, with a love for life, with not an understanding of life, but an interest in life, a person who's alive. I mean, that's I think something that people connect to.
Very interesting. I mean, you just said one thing that caught my attention. You said acting probably wasn't a career for you. So when roles come to you, when scripts come to you, what makes you say yes?
It's the fun aspect of it. I enjoy it. I mean, acting it's fun for me. I'm not here to win an award if you give me an award, I'm happy. If it turns out so well that, people really loved it, give me an award, very happy. But that's not what I'm there for. I'm there to enjoy it. It's like if you ask me, why do I run? I don't run to win races. I don't run to lose weight. I have no goal. I run because I love to run. And it's the same thing that I act. I mean, people offer me acting roles and I think, I think this is going to be fun. I do it. That's it. I don't have to think too much about it. So when I got this role of Arpit, even though the maximum number of roles that have been offered to me have been like Arpit, which is the other man. The Other Man, I think I must be having the world record in the number of roles that are offered to me of the other man.
Correct.
Like I know the other woman concept we all know about. It's so common, the other woman. But I am the other man, and that is the maximum number in the last 20 years. The maximum offers I have got, and most of them I've said no to. I said yes to this one because I don't do a lot of comedy. I've just done Bheja Fry, which was a very funny film a few years ago. And Ranveer was also in it.
Right.
And secondly, it was so nicely written, so well written. And when I saw the first season, a couple of episodes, the casting is so good and the performances are so good. I said it's going to be great fun to be in this. That was it. Ordinarily, I would have said The Other Man again. Really, no. You know, I mean, that's what it is. In fact, one of the last films that I did also, which was called Chef, I played and I made a joke about this with Omi. You know, Omi Vaidya is in the series as well. And Omi, in fact, is Maharashtrian like me.
Yeah.
But he's always cast or mostly cast as a South Indian.
Right.
As a funny South Indian guy. So I said, you know, I was even cast in Chef as a South Indian, which normally in a Hindi film is a funny guy, in a lungi, you know. But even there, I was the other man. So
सिर्फ कपड़ा अलग है, role same है.
Role same है. You're the other man. The guy who is the lead is insecure of you, is jealous of you. His wife is in love with you. That's it. Or he thinks his wife is in love with you.
I like to give you a tip over here. Next time when somebody comes to your script, you just have to ask them at the doorstep. Other man? Okay, done. Sirf costume bhijwa dena.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with any role, of course. But it's just when it's offered to you again and again and again, and you suddenly think that, you know, can you get beyond this? That's why in my last, the OTT series I did, Porishpur, they came to me actually with the role of the king.
Right.
Okay, and at that time, the king's role wasn't fleshed out. You don't know what the king is doing. You don't know what it's about. It's just a king in a medieval kingdom. And I said, king, no. Because, okay, king, I know what the king is like. Okay, he's tall and he's handsome and I said no. Then they came after 2 months. Again, I said no. The third time they came, there was this character who was against the king. And I said, who's this guy? They said, he's a eunuch. His name is Boris. I said, I'll play the eunuch. They said, you'll play the eunuch? So I said, yeah. And that's how I got it.
I shouldn't be saying this, but I swiped right on Bumble to a guy because the first look was, he looked side profile like you. And I even told him on the app saying that, dude, your photo looks like Milind Soman. And I showed it to my friend and my friend was like, dude, he looks like Milind Soman. Isn't Milind Soman? I said, no.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yeah, I mean, genuinely. So, have you come across someone who you found extremely adorable that you wanted to go and meet again and again? Just made excuses, Mummy, aaj bukhar hai, let's go. I need to meet the doctor. Have you ever come across some cute doctor?
No, we don't have a doctor. In my house,
nobody?
We don't.
Yeah, I know you're so fit, but sometime bukhar, something.
No, Sardi, Zukam, Bukhar in the last 25 years, I can't remember. I hope it continues that way. I will take some wood here to knock on. But
I have. I'll do it on your behalf.
I don't remember her having fever, having a cold. Sometimes she has a sore throat because with the weather she gets that. But no cold, no fever, no cough, nothing for as long as I can remember.
Wow.
And she's 81. She still treks. She exercises every day. I tell her, we exchange notes on what exercises to do. We're healthy people. So we don't have a doctor. I've never been to a doctor. Dentist, yes, but I've never been to a doctor because I was sick or anything.
Wow, that's goals now. That's like hashtag goals.
I think when I was, I can't remember.
But it was lovely talking to you, and I hope you kill it again with your other man character on screen.
Yeah. Well, I hope you watch it. I hope you watch it and give us your response. Give us the feedback. I
will definitely watch season 1 and 2, binge watch, and I will ping you personally.
Fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.